Ollama just pushed an update, and if you're running AI on your own computer, this one actually matters. For months, there's been one big complaint about local AI. The models were smart, but they couldn't actually do things. They'd freeze up halfway through a task. They'd forget what they were even doing. They'd tell you a job was done when they never touched it. This update fixes a huge piece of that. And I'm not saying that to get clicks, I'm saying that because this changes what you can actually get an AI to do for you without babysitting it the entire time. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI-powered online course business and he makes videos on the latest AI news so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course, link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. So here's what actually happened. Ollama released version 0.3.2.1 on July 18th, and the main fix inside it is tool calling for Google's Gemma 4 model. Now, tool calling is the thing that lets an AI actually use apps, run commands, write files, and check its own work. It's the difference between an AI that just talks and an AI that actually does something. Before this update, Gemma 4 would call a tool, get the result back, and then just stop. Or it would lose track of what it was doing. Or it would hand you back half an answer and act like it finished. The official release notes call this more reliable tool response continuation. In plain English, the AI now finishes the job it started, instead of quitting halfway through. Now here's what's interesting about this. A few months ago, Google released Gemma 3 on a real test called the DAO 2 bench, which checks how well an AI can use tools the way a human assistant would. Gemma 3 scored just 6.6%. That's basically unusable for real work. Gemma 4 jumped to 86.4% on that exact same test. That's a massive leap, like almost a completely different product. But here's the thing, even with that jump, people using it every day kept hitting the same wall. The model could call the tool, it just couldn't always follow through after. And that's exactly the weak spot this new Ollama update goes after. I'm not going to just tell you the numbers and leave it there, because a tech writer named Pankaj Yadav actually tested this the moment it dropped on his own MacBook Air. He ran Gemma 4 through Ollama using the MLX version, which is built specifically for Apple computers. He gave it a real task, not a demo. He handed it a messy 400-line Python script full of nested error handling and asked it to find 3 slow spots in the code, rewrite those spots using faster methods, run the tests, and report back. What happened before this update, he said that kind of task would usually break halfway. The AI would drop the thread completely or hand back something half finished. After the update, it followed the whole chain. It found the slow spots, it rewrote the code, it ran the tests, and it reported back clearly. That's not a marketing claim. That's someone actually running it and telling you what happened. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step, so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. Now, let's talk about what this actually looks like if you're not a coder, because this isn't just a story for developers. Say you run a small business page and you want a new sign-up form written for your site. You could ask Gemma 4 through Ollama to write the form, check that all the fields actually work, and fix any mistakes on its own. Before this update, you'd have to check its work at every single step. Now, it can carry the task through from start to finish and tell you when it's actually done. That's 1 sentence of work from you and a finished form waiting when you come back. Or say you manage a community page and you want fresh welcome messages written for new members every week. You could ask the AI to write 5 versions, pick the best one, and save it to a file all in one go. That used to take several separate steps because the AI kept losing the thread between each one. Now it just moves through the whole list without stopping. The other big piece of this update is speed, and it matters just as much as the tool fixing. Ollama has been rolling out MLX support for Apple computers, which is Apple's own engine for running AI faster on Mac hardware. A few weeks before this update, Ollama turned on multi-token prediction for Gemma 4 on MLX in one benchmark that made the model close to 90% faster on real coding tasks tested on the ADA Polyglot benchmark, which uses real programming tasks, not some made-up lab number. Here's an easy way to picture multi-token prediction. Most AI models write one word, stop, think again, then write the next word. It's slow because it keeps stopping to think. Multi-token prediction is like your phone's autocomplete guessing 3 or 4 words ahead at once because it already has a good idea what's coming next. It still checks its own guesses, but guessing several words at a time instead of one is a lot faster. One report showed speeds jumping from about 50 tokens per second up to 95 tokens per second on a high-end Mac. Tokens are just small chunks of text, roughly a word or part of a word. So going from 50 to 95 basically means the AI is writing close to double the amount of usable text in the same amount of time. And Ollama didn't stop there. This update also fixed a memory leak in the MLX system. A memory leak is when a program slowly eats up more and more of your computer's memory the longer it runs until things start slowing down or crashing on you. Ollama fixed that, so now the app can run longer without needing a restart. They also added a fix, so the AI automatically knows your current project folder, which means fewer mix-ups when it's working across multiple files at once. Small stuff on paper, but if you've actually used these tools day to day, these little fixes are the difference between something you trust and something you're constantly babysitting. Now let's zoom out for a second, because this is bigger than just one update. A year ago, running a fully local AI agent that could reliably use tools on your own computer wasn't hard, it just wasn't reliable. Most people who needed dependable tool use had to rely on cloud services instead. Now, a model running entirely on your own laptop can plan a task, use tools, check its own work, and finish the job, all without sending your data anywhere else. That's a real shift, and it's moving fast. Just a few weeks before this release, Ollama pushed a speed update. Before that, they added an interactive agent mode that lets you just type Ollama and start chatting, coding, and searching the web straight from your terminal. Each update builds on the last one and closes the gap between local AI and the big cloud tools a little more. So what should you actually do with this? If you write code even a little, it's worth putting the new Gemma 4 model through Ollama and testing it on a real file you're already working on, not just some demo someone showed you online. And here's the real tension underneath all of this. Every time these tools get more reliable, it means less manual checking for you. That sounds great on paper, but it also means the tools you're trusting are doing more without you watching as closely. And look, the fix for that isn't to slow down and avoid using them. The fix is to actually learn how these updates work, so you're using them on purpose and not just letting them run blind in the background of your business. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.